Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively oxygenate your aquarium. Maintaining adequate dissolved oxygen is crucial for the health and well-being of your aquatic inhabitants. Without enough oxygen, fish can become stressed, lethargic, and even succumb to illness. We'll explore the most reliable methods to ensure your tank has the oxygen it needs to thrive, creating a vibrant and stable environment for all your aquatic life. One of the most common and effective ways to oxygenate your aquarium is by using an air pump paired with an air stone. The pump pushes air through a tube to the air stone, which then releases a stream of tiny bubbles into the water. These bubbles create significant surface agitation, which is key for gas exchange, allowing carbon dioxide to escape and oxygen to dissolve into the water. This simple setup provides consistent oxygenation. Beyond air pumps, your aquarium filter plays a vital role in oxygenation by creating water movement. Filters like hang-on back or canister types agitate the surface, promoting essential gas exchange. Additionally, live aquatic plants are natural oxygen producers. During daylight hours, through photosynthesis, they release oxygen into the water, contributing significantly to the overall dissolved oxygen levels. A well-planted tank can be a beautiful and functional oxygen source. To ensure optimal oxygen levels, it's important to regularly monitor your aquarium. Use an oxygen test kit to check levels, especially if you notice fish gasping at the surface. Consistent water changes also help by introducing fresh, oxygenated water and removing harmful waste products. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. By combining these methods, you can maintain a healthy, oxygen-rich environment for your aquatic pets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.